have a teeny tiny Plana Hannah haul bit for y'all. First things first is I do have my customs for last week, which are in one of the new fonts, which is a super cute kind of gamer-esque like chunky font. I don't know. Super cute and sparkly hollow. Then I have our next collab foil bundle. I was going to do candy, but I just didn't like the way that it was turning out. So I ended up doing bats, and I thought that was very cute. So you have bat full boxes as well as headers, and you have bat underlays, icons, and scripts. This is one of the new fonts as well, and I think it's so pretty, as well as bats on the bottom washi, the new font on the date numbers. Just super simple, super cute, easy to mix and match as well, with a ton of like Halloween quotes. And this is in hollow. This is the add-on, but it's in the SPC kind of like format here, designed by me, sold by Hannah in a bazillion different foil colors. Perfect for the good old Halloween. I also will have a new freebie, but I don't have that to show you. So then let's go over all the new foil colors. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but there is hollow pink hearts, which is one of my new faves. And then there is confetti silver, which is like the purple. My battery says it's exhausted, but like I have it plugged in, so I'm not sure, which kind of makes me nervous that my camera's going. So we're gonna see if it continues to charge or what is up with her. It might be the cord though too. Confetti silver, which is like the confetti purple. There's blue hollow pebble, black and gold check, which is kind of cool. And there's confetti gold. All these confettis have like, okay, I'm not fully entirely sure what's going on. I'm trying like a new battery, and then I'm going to try a new cord, but this battery is 100%, so I should be good. So anyways, let's go back to the foil colors. I also need to film today because I've been a real slacker. We have brown marble, which is a very, very fun. It's going to be perfect for fall. And then there is midnight, which is a like purplish with a tinge of blue. There is cotton candy. This would look really pretty with like most mermaid color schemes. And then pixie orange has that like starry background in orange. Then there is winter green, which is like a bluish green. Sequin gold, which is, as it says, sequiny gold. There is pink roses, which was, I believe, a foil of the month prior. Brown hollow pebble is really fun. Hold on, let me get my phone out for some of these, because some of them are kind of hard to see. This one's like really cool when you get the light on it. Actually, hold on, not my phone. Please hold. I'll grab my light because she's actually a little bit better. And then I am keeping an eye on Theodore on my phone. So let's see. Let's do this. Yeah. Let me turn this to, here we go. Yeah, isn't that fun? Actually, I'll just set this on my coffee cup. And then I feel like for foil, this is like the way to show the design. See, like you can see the stars a lot better in that one. Okay, then we have silver stars, which again, you can see better in that light, the stars. Pastel rainbow, which is one of my faves for sure. I've been looking for a pastel rainbow for like 100 years and I've never been able to find one. So very excited to be able to grab that. And then there is pixie lime, which has those stars in it. There is hollow rainbow or lines, so it's like a liney rainbow. There's nickel, which looks like the color of a nickel. Pixie blue, which has those stars in it, I believe. Yeah. And then there is pixie lemongrass, which this one I don't think has stars in it. I think it's just like little, like confettis, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah. It's more of like almost like a sequin. Like a thicker confetti kind of. Green tie-dye. Has different colored greens in it. Gold stars. Confetti gold, which is that liney like ice skating, kind of like the purple confetti. Silver waves, which is like a hollow wave. Hollow gray lines, so it's like a liney hollow. Sunset hollow, which is a really pretty like orangey hollow. Hollow magenta, which is like a pinkish purple color. Corn, which is like it almost looks like a matte gold, but like more warm toned. And then Shattered Red, which is, as it says, is a Shattered Red. And then last but certainly not least is Shattered Rainbow. My favorites out of all of them are the Hollow Pink Hearts, as well as the brown, I think it was the brown Hollow Pebble that I really liked. Maybe, or I thought there was a different brown one. I also did drop these on my floor, so I might be missing one. And like had to go scrambling to pick them all up. So I thought there was a different brown one I liked, but could have been, hold on, I texted Hannah my picture of like my favorites. It was definitely the Pink Hollow Hearts. I do like the Cotton Candy, but I feel like it's not going to match a whole lot. And then the Pastel Rainbow. And then I thought that there was like a different brown that I liked. Or maybe it is this brown and it just looks different today. Okay. I feel like iPhones just like don't like showing you actually all the photos. They only show you some of the photos. Maybe it was that one. Let me look at it. Not in the light. No, I don't know. I don't think this was it, but maybe it was. I don't know. But super cute, super beautiful. All of the new foil colors. Okay, so we got some wax. I think this month's haul is going to be a little teeny tiny. Okay, so this is the Inside Out collection by Fantasy Wax, so let's go ahead and go through it. First thing here is Sadness, which is lavender milk and sugar cookie dough. I don't know what lavender milk actually smells like. It's not my favorite. It does smell like lavender milk though. I feel like I'm very specific about lavender scents though, but it's like a sweet lavender milk scent. I think Sadness is so cute. Actually, I haven't seen Inside Out 2 yet, so I'm excited to see that. Islands of Personality, which is toffee, apple crunch, vanilla buttercream crunch, and pie crust. That sounds awesome. It's like a very nice fall scent. Love that. The next one here is Anger, which is coffee shop, glazed donuts, and Celtic moon spice. Ooh, that one's nice. And again, it's like giving like fall vibes, and I love every second of that. I also really like this shape. It's super thick. The next one is Headquarters, which is strawberry shortcake, pink frosted cake, and country cream. Also sounds so good. Oh yeah, it's like a very creamy, milky, like strawberry scent. Love that. The next one is Core Memory, which is warm vanilla sugar, shortbread cookies, and zucchini bread, which also sounds really, really good, and a huge snap bar. Oh yeah, that one's probably my favorite so far. The warm vanilla sugar mixed with zucchini bread is bomb. The next one is Joy, which is yellow cake, buttercream frosting, and vanilla wafers, which just reminds me of my little Miss Nyla Joy. Sweet as can be and most beautiful. I love yellow cake scents. Riley, which is orange chiffon cake, lemon pound cake, and zucchini bread. It smells so good. It's like a nice take on like the lemon pound cake zucchini bread with a little bit of the orange. I'm not like a huge fan of orange, but I think that works really well together. Disgust, which is pistachio macaron and mallow fluff. This one's like pretty light, but I think it'll probably be like crazy on warm because of the pistachio, but smells good for what I can smell. Bing Bong, which is summer scoop type, boardwalk mallow clouds type, and cake batter. Ooh. This one smells real good. That one smells like it would kind of be like 75% bakery and 25% like a perfume type, but it smells really, really good. Memory Dump, which is honey buttered rolls, Cafe Vienna, and sweet and creamy. Oh, that's a real good one. This is probably my second favorite. That's so good. San Francisco, which is vanilla birch, sugar cookie royale, and zucchini bread. I also love the pour dates on these. Ooh, that one's good too. This one smells like 25% bakery, 75% cologne. Oh my god, I could just live in that. Oh, that's what I want my house to smell like. Fear, which is Palo Santo, powdered donuts, and apple strudel. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she is. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a good collection. That's a good one. I mean, they're all good, but like, that's a real good one. And then I've been busy, okay? We have the Bridgerton Penelope collection along with, this is like what's it called? 4th of July-ish times, I guess, I think, or summer, I don't know. Queen Charlotte, we love her. She is the best. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and go through these. I'll go over 4th of July last, and we'll do the Bridgerton collection first. So first we have Lady Whistledown, which is caramel pralines yellow cake batter. That one's really good. It smells like a really fancy, like decadent cake. The next one is Friends to Lovers, which is Boom Boom Type sugar cookie dough and fresh bread. Ooh. That's like a really good combination. I feel like I haven't smelled that like all together before, but it smells very delicious. Colin, which is espresso, sweet bakery dough, and vanilla custard. What did you think of this season? This one smells a little artificial coffee-y to me, but I definitely still will warm it in the living room to see how it goes. But I did not care for the season, but I feel like I've heard everyone say that like the book was so much better. So I'm like, kind of want to read it because like it was one of my least favorite seasons. Queen Charlotte, which is maple buttercream, toasted mallet, and zucchini bread. Queen Charlotte story is my favorite. That one smells really good too. I love that. I love the maple buttercream. I like that as like a single scent. I feel like that'd be good. Carriage, which is apple butter, caramel, and better than sex cake. LOL. Very apple-y. Perfect for the fall time. Debut into Society, which is yellow cake, sugar cookies, and French baguette. I love the bee on this. That one smells really good. I really smell the bread. The next is Duke and Daphne, which is Palo Santo and Bear Claws. That one smells really good. I love Palo Santo mixed with bakery. I just think it really levels it up. And if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. But that's all I'm going to say. The Ton, which is blackberry, fresh linen, and salty sea air. It's not my favorite, but I feel like if you need like a laundry room melt, it definitely is giving like fancy, fruity, like slightly fruity like laundry room. Sparkle of the Season, which is blue sugar, vanilla, butter fudge, and cupcakes at Tiffany's. Ooh, that one's really good. Like if you haven't picked that one up, get that one. Again, blue sugar, Palo Santo, they're my new loves of the year. Regency London, which is pink sugar, copper tone type, and salty sea air. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh my God. This is one of my like weird scents I like is suntan lotion. Like that specific copper tone suntan lotion. And this plus the pink sugar and salty sea air. I might have to go pick up more of that because this gives me summer. I'm putting this over here because I need to like, the rest of them I'm like, you know, I'm just happy to have them. And they're probably all sold out. This one I'm going to check. I'm going to check because that smells so good. Penelope, which is strawberry white cake and cream cheese frosting. It's just very unique. This one's like, I haven't smelled anything like this ever. I like the cream cheese with this. It's very, very yummy. That one's a good one too. It smells edible. You know what I mean? Anthony and Kate, which is Boardwalk Marlowe Clouds type, and warm vanilla sugar. That also sounds like it's going to be good. Oh, yeah. That's what I feel like they would smell like. I think Kate is like the prettiest. IMO. I just think she's kind of a babe. Then we're going to move in to the 4th of July, or I don't know, like summer scents. So they have Rocket Pops, which is fruity cherry slush with vanilla and a musk base. Is that always a scent? I don't like it. Oh, like it. It smells like pineapple. Ugh, I don't like it. I want to preface this, which I don't really like fruit scents for the most part, unless it's like fruity fall. The next one is Hot Apple Pie, fresh out. My mind went fresh out the slammer. Oh my God, fresh out, if you're a Taylor Swift fan. Fresh out the oven, crisp apple pie. Fresh out the slammer. Ooh, that one's good though. This one's very like quintessential like fall pie scent. Love it. S'mores, which is sweet graham cracker with melted chocolate and sticky marshmallows. It's way too early. I haven't even drank my coffee yet and I'm over here. Fresh out the slammer. This one smells so much like a s'more, but like heavy on the graham, which is how I prefer it. That one's so good. That's like realistic. That's like, it could convince me that it's a real s'more. Like if I was blindfolded. That's wild. And then lemonade, which is sparkling lemon peel with hints of vanilla. She went fancy with these this year. I'm not like a big fruity person. Normally I would like pass on a fruity, but I feel like this one I might try in the living room. I feel like it might be, especially if I have like guests, I think this one would be like a showstopper and like it would be zingy sweet, which I think would be really nice. So that's everything. I'm gonna go check on this one because it is so good and I just want my whole house to smell like it. I'm pretty sure no one else is gonna want my house to smell like it because Nick's just annoying. But thanks, Kirsten. I love you. This is a beautiful sight, if I do say so myself. Wow. Look at that. Let me see if I zoom out. Look at her. Just look at her. Oh, it just makes me so happy. So, Fantasy Box, always linked down below. She's always in my hauls, and I always have a code. So, use it. Love you. I'm going to sneeze.